Hi, my name is Ruth. I am the CEO of Simply Book Me. First and foremost, I love working here because we have a fantastic team of people. Other than that, I also love to work in the tech space. It's extremely agile and you really have to be on your toes every single day. Maybe I'm a little tiny bit biased given that I'm CEO here, but yes, I would definitely recommend working at Simply Book Me. It's just the best place to work. Everybody's super friendly and everybody working towards the same goal. In the beginning, we needed a solution to help an Icelandic tire company because actually in the wintertime when it starts to snow in Iceland, then every single car in Iceland needs to get new winter tires on. They needed a system for this, we created it for them, and that was the beginning of Simply Book Me. So we started like this simple booking solution, mainly just to accept bookings on a timely basis. But we have evolved a lot in the past 10 years. So now every single business can, in the beginning, get this basic booking system, but then they can add the custom features that they need and is relevant for their business. So that can be to manage their social media online, schedule advertisements, accept payments, offer gift cards and send out promotions. So every single business can really tailor the system towards their needs. Given that Simply Book Me is now within Team Blue, a big European tech player here in Europe with 3 million customers, we are working now on integrating Simply Book Me with a lot of different solutions that they own. So that's very exciting ahead, integrating into different domain providers around Europe, different SaaS providers such as Webnote and Metricool. So that's what we are focusing on these days.